If we look at Phil's house as an example, Phil's got 13 solar panels on his house. He paired them up with microinverters. So in that situation, each panel has an independent microinverter underneath each panel. It monitors each panel as an individual. It increases the efficiency of the system, it produces more power, and you don't have as much lag time, I suppose, with your energy efficiency. Phil was trying to expand the size of his system so that he could save more money off his power bills. Well, Phil was quite an educated customer, and he has had solar systems in the past at other residences he's been around, and he understands the difference between buying the quality solar system versus a cheap system. Lately we've had a lot of customers informing us that they've had people coming around just knocking on their door, cold calling. We've had examples of systems being installed that are very poor quality, very high cost. So the reasons for going for a higher quality premium system is because it produces more power. It's more efficient, it has longer warranties, and it's just better. It will save you more money. So when we're designing a system for a customer, we look at each house as an individual subject. We look at their roof, their aspect, any trees that might be shading it, any environmental issues, like if there's a really high wind zone, we design the racking systems to suit all of those different options. Each design is very specific to your house. We customise every one of our solar systems to suit each customer's energy needs and environmental conditions, be that their house, the environment, the shade, the trees, you name it. We look at it all.